wanna party. Big felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It's girls, and we can play tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, but
hey y'all, it's your girl HannaRose here. Today I'm finally getting my nails done, so I'm super excited. I'm about to go to my girl Ashley. I'm gonna add her on the screen, or once I get there. I honestly don't know which look I'm getting yet, but once I get there, we'll talk about all that. Honestly, want to savor my battery life because I can't find my other battery. But without further ado, let's get into it.
How the fuck you so real, but baby, bitch on my line, I can feel what you spinning. Not too much pride to let no burn it, girl, sign me out. Pull up, go right about mine, I got time, let's discuss all those lies about fighting out here like you digging me out, and I ain't even coming, I'm in and out, and you ain't about the shit you rapping about, and I can spend the whole I'm wearing it down, I'm going home like a short off. You tell these hoes you ain't
Tennessee life clearly, clearly. February is a time that you put the evil eye and the pride aside for the fantasy of getting married. Very scary. March got you already second guessing titles. April, spring is here just like a spring start to spiral. May bring some warmer days. Poolside getting very tan. June, hey, you're moving ice cold, going back and forth with a married man. July, that's when I found out. July, August, it was baby this, baby that, like yeah, your tools tied. September, we falling off, but I'm still the main trying to win over. October is all about me, cause your time should have been over. November, got your mood board, and for next year, you're single. December, the gift giving month, and now you wanna rekindle. Tryna build trust, showing me a DMs, how they tryna bag you. Ironic how the news I got about you ended up being bad news. Get a nigga hit for 50 racks, girl, the beef cost like it's wagyu. Get a nigga hit, I make his ass see the light like a half moon. Shot the QC, pretty sure I made P hands like it's past noon. All I really know is W's and M's, life looking like a bathroom. All I really know is damn bags like I drove through and ordered fast food. Saying I'm too guarded with my feelings, who the fuck even asked you? 7 bodyguards just in case somebody really wanna try and crash through. Don't know why I listen to you when I hear you talking to me in some half truth. If I don't pay your rent, it end up like a old hairstyle, girl, it's past due. If I don't...
Girl, that's crazy.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing Tootsie slides in both ears. Dice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner, till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close?
So like this, and then there's numbers.
Okay.
You could read it.
These days don't look my age. Niggas be past 10.
This is the duck set. It was shorter too.
That's cute.
But I was like debating, I'm like, should I post that? Should I not post it?
I see what you mean now.
Cause it's just like a basic, but you know. But I feel like I just need to post everything. Like no matter what, I just need to post everything.
Yeah, you should. You never know. Like something you might not like, somebody likes. You know?
Yeah.
And then if it's not doing numbers, then you have to take it down.
Validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want a receipt. Mind keep possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey, my best can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. My, how the time change. I'm still playing the victim, and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see, I'm blind. Calm down, to the beat, words never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get payback. Mama told me
And you didn't even file or nothing yet. This looks so cute. This color is really nice.
Thank you, it is. I know it was like, this is gonna heat with the silver for sure.
I like when you put your gun into red light. I like all that violence, give me dysfunction. I like when you come, never stay the whole night. Better when you hide, never tell me I'm wrong. Cause my best can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. My, how the time change. You still talking about babies, and I'm still taking the blame. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see, I'm blind.
Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've had it, that's all show you something, give you more than words. We've had it, that's all please be don't just be nothing to me. I want you to give it to me, yeah. Please be don't just be nothing to me, yeah. I want you to give it to me, yeah.
No woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love.